the 16th Vice Chancellor of the University of Nigeria. Please give it up for Professor Uche Simon Ortuanya. You're welcome, sir.
The chairman of the occasion, the dean of our dear faculty, Fabric, the distinguished lecturer, the special guests that are here. I understand our distinguished senator is represented. Deans of faculties, directors, professors, and other senior academics, my dear brother and friend, and the chief of the very old block, Dr. a versatile scholar. I have known him over the years, Dr. Onyekele Obibuaku. I call him the Vice Chancellor. He says he's the Provost or Rector. Where is Professor Agu? Professor Agu is also a member of Council of University of Nigeria. And I know that his present position as Provost, am I correct, is just a stepping stone for him